So we're headed to look at a truck. Truck for me, F250. Real excited about it. It's not a new truck, but new to me. So here we go. Check it out.
Turn left onto
Going left. Yeah, boy, so excited. Pretty sure I'm about to get this truck. Super dope. Oh, I'm very, very excited. Oh, we're gonna...
The title tag application. With this, we get your title tag transferred to your name. So you just sign there.
All taxes paid.
Yep.
No surprises.
Yeah. And this is your dog.
Skid him, how's he feel?
Yeah, boy.
Test drive pick. We own. Not me. No, I don't know. That thing is huge. Here, I'll open the door for you on your new ride.
Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for watching the video. So yeah, I got the truck. It's a F250 6.0. It's bulletproof, and I love it. It's actually in the shop right now. It's getting the right side door dent pulled out of it, and you know, I can't complain. I love it. I worked really hard for the truck, and I got it. So we're gonna be coming out with a lot more videos, so stay tuned. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.